And races on Hysteria, fast to begin brushing up his music king. Down on the inside, Classical Jade alongside Negligee. Down on the inside, both boys and Santeria is the early trailer. Hysteria by some 2 lengths, followed by Music King. And running in third by some 6 lengths, Classical Jade as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Hysteria by 3/4 of a length. Pressing up from the outside is Music King, and Classical Jade is running in third by some 7 lengths. Negligee racing forward by another 3 lengths. Down on the inside, both points, Santeria working towards the back. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Music King is now the leader by 3/4 of a length. Hysteria down on the inside. Classical Jade remained in third by some 7 lengths. Negligee racing forward by some 2 lengths. Santeria second last. Both boys now running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Music King by some 2 lengths now. Hysteria, Classical Jade, Negligee on the further outside. Santeria is also coming into the picture as they race the final corner. Classical Jade, Music King, Negligee, Santeria on the further outside. Classical Jade, Negligee, Santeria is on the outside. Negligee is now the leader. Santeria, Classical Jade down on the inside. Both Music King. And nearing the finish line, the favorite, Negligee. Santeria, Classical Jade, both Music King, and Hysteria comes last.